Internal working mechanism of SqlSession in MyBatis. Now we are considering the internal working mechanism of SqlSession. We have already understood the MyBatis encapsulate the access to the database and put session and transaction control of the database into SQL session object. So how does it work? Next we analyze the source. So here SqlSession internal processing mechanisms for insert, update, delete and select are basically the same. So next I will take complete select query process as an example. We can consider select query process. SqlSession subcomponents SqlSession is the top level interface of MyBatis, which provide the methods of executing statement, obtaining mappers and managing transaction. In fact, SqlSession realizes the assurance of task by aggregating multiple subcomponents and letting each subcomponent to be responsible for its own function. So let us briefly understand core subcomponents of SqlSessions. Executor is the executor which is responsible for generating dynamic SQL and managing cache. Executor is the executor interface. There are base executor, simple executor, batch executor, reuse executor, caching executor. Statement handler. The statement handler object is responsible for setting the query parameters in the statement object, processing the result set returned by JDBC. And processing the result sets into a list collection and return. Family members of statement handler. Statement handler is the interface. Base statement handler is an abstract class that implement statement handler with some common methods built in. Simple statement handler is responsible for processing statement. Prepared statement handler is responsible for processing prepared statement. Callable statement handler is responsible for processing callable statement. Routing statement handler is responsible for processing the specific subclass and of statement handler and choose to instantiate simple statement handler, prepared statement handler and callable statement handler according to the statement type. Parameter handler is responsible for converting incoming Java objects into JDBC type objects and filling values for the dynamic SQL of prepared statement. Parameter handler has only one concrete implementation class, namely default parameter handler. Result set handler is responsible for two things: process the result set generated after the statement is executed, and generate the result set. Processing processing the output parameters after the execution of the stored procedure. Result set handler has only one concrete implementation class, namely the default result set handler. Type handler. Type handler is responsible for converting between Java objects types and the JDBC types. SqlSession and mapper here, and here you can see SqlSession interacts with executor. Executor interacts with statement handler. Statement handler interacts with the parameter handler, and parameter handler is connected to type handler and restatement. Here statements are connected to result set, and result set is connected to type handler, and result set handler. Type handler is connected to the result set handler here. And here the result set SqlSession is connected to executor. Executor is connected to statement handler. Statement handler is connected to parameter handler, and here statement, and parameter handler is connected to statement, and type handler. Type handler is connected to statement. Prepare statement, simple statement, and callable statements are inside statement. Statement is connected to result set. Result set is connected to type handler, and type handler is connected to result set handler. Here result set is connected to result set handler. Result set handler is connected to statement handler. Statement handler is connected to executor. Executor is connected to SqlSession, and here you can see SQL source and result maps are inside the mapper mapped statement mapper. Map statement mapper is inside configuration MyBatis, and here you see params object, row bounds, and bound SQL. And here this SqlSession executor, statement handler, parameter handler, type handler, result set, and configuration MyBatis param object, row bounds, bound SQL are inside MyBatis, and here statement and result set are inside JDBC, and JDBC interacts with the database. Here here MySQL, Oracle, H2, PostgreSQL, DB2, etc. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.